Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Design Excellence. So friends, today we are going to make this exercise with the help of this sketch, and this is our exercise number 20 in SolidWorks, and you can also download this exercise and this part from my GrabCAD link in description. If you have any doubts, then please comment and please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. So let's start. So firstly we draw this portion, after that this one, and this is our last portion. Okay, so this dimension is 40 millimeter and 40 millimeter, 80 millimeter length and 40 millimeter width. So let's take a plane and draw a rectangle. Okay, now dimension, this is 40 millimeter and this dimension is 80 millimeter. Now extrude, length is 12 millimeter. Okay, now fillet this portion on this edge and this edge, and dimension is 20 millimeter. And okay, so first portion is ready. Now we draw a 16 dia hole on this face. Okay, and this dimension is 20 and 20 from center, the 40 millimeter, and this is also 40. Okay, and 12 millimeter thickness. Let's click on this face and take extrude cut and draw a circle. Dimension it. This is 16 millimeter and okay. Finish sketch and through all click OK. Now go to sketch and draw two rectangle like this. This portion is equal and this one also equal. Now dimension, this dimension is 12 millimeter and this one is 40 millimeter. Finish sketch, feature, extrude, and this height is 40 millimeter. Okay, now fillet on this portion and this also. Click OK. Okay, now click on this face and normal to take extrude cut and draw a circle on this center, a 16 millimeter. Click OK, and now through all click OK. Okay, second portion is complete. Now we have to draw this portion. This center is 60 millimeter and 20 millimeter from this center, so 40 and 12, so 48 by 40. Okay, so just click on right plane and normal to, and draw a rectangle. Okay, dimension, this dimension is 48 and this one is 40 millimeter. Okay, finish a sketch, feature, extrude, click on this sketch 12 millimeter and okay. Now go to fillet, click on this edge and this edge and okay. Now click on this face and normal to, take extrude cut and draw a circle and this dimension also is 16 millimeter and okay. Now through all and click OK. Now we have to draw these fillets. Okay, click on fillet and select this edge, this edge, this edge and this edge and this edge. Dimension is 6 millimeter. Click OK. Okay. So our exercise is complete. If you have any doubts, then please comment and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.